Well, hello to all my awesome YouTube fans. How are you doing today? Well, thank you so much for checking today's awesome vlog. Curious on what I'm doing today in my room. Before my fans get upset with me, you're gonna say, Chris, what you order now? Basically, I ordered this a while back. I was actually waiting for it to come in today or tomorrow, but we do have an unboxing for you. Basically, it's basically more computer parts for my brand new desktop. But don't worry, this is the last package. I'm not going to be ordering any more things for my brand new computer. And yes, I am saving money for the wedding, and don't worry, I'm all good. But basically, I need to stop ordering things. I know, it's very tricky when you're doing brand new computers and stuff like that, and you gotta figure out what you want to upgrade. But let's go ahead and open this box and unbox it and see what's inside of this Amazon shipping box. Let's go and let's have some fun. Don't be upset. It's all good. It's a lot of fun when you build your own first computer and you're trying to upgrade it to put different computer upgrades and parts into it. But let's go ahead and crack open this box. By the way, I need my knife, basically, to crack it open. And of course, to use this strange type to use too. It's kind of interesting. Curious on what knife I'm using? That's a Huxley style knife. I see we got more air pockets. Guess what? Kaboom! Okay, that's strange. I don't know what this is. Take a look at that in a minute. Sweet. Hey now, USB card reader. Awesome. Well, I can tell you one thing. It's not the original box. Basically. But let's go ahead and crack it open and see what's inside this mystery box here. And of course, they use so much packing tape. And that's a good thing. And basically, this is for my computer, basically. Let's take a peek at the instructions. But we'll deal with this later. But the main thing I really wanted to upgrade on my computer was this guy. If I can figure a way to get this heat shrink off here. Heat shrink plastic, should I say. Awesome. Looks like it's a sleeve of some sort. Yes, it is a sleeve. Awesome. And some Owen stuff on the bottom. Sweet. Okay, before my fans get upset with me, by the way, I'm not going to be ordering any more computer parts for my brand new desktop computer over here. I know you're gonna say, Chris, you already have a USB 2 card reader. Why are you upgrading it to the USB 3 card reader? Basically. Well, I need my USB 2s back on the front of my case, basically. And I thought this would be a nice upgrade for my brand new desktop computer. And basically that's what it looks like. But I also bought a USB 2 hub, basically, and this is not the original box, by the way. This had some type of a water cooling block in it, but not bad. But the USB 2 header on my board I'm using for my Bluetooth, basically, and the USB 2s here are disabled, basically, and that's why I'm switching this out with this one right here. But alright, you guys and girls are subscribing to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Leave an awesome comment down below. Please like, please share. Peace out. We'll hopefully see you in the future vlog. And have a very nice day. Catch you later.